Sweetheart, wakey wakey. Look at your chunky face, it's so cute. Wakey wakey. Look at how cute you are. Look at you. Good morning. You're so pretty. And Minnie Mouse and your triangles. Hey y'all. Good morning. So we are in the Jeep and Josh is in the car in front of us. We are having to take our car to go get a new windshield because it is really broken. Like the other day, for some reason, it cracked more when it was like really hot. It cracked more, so it's down like the driver's line of sight. So we have to get it replaced because like Josh, he gets inspected at work for being a driver, and they'll dock him for that. They won't let him drive. Plus, it's not safe anyways, so we just need to get it replaced anyways. So we had to take it, go get it replaced. So we're on our way there now. Drop it off. They said drop it off around 8, and then you pick it up. We can pick it up whenever it's done. They'll call us when it's done. And it's, I don't even know what time it is, honestly. 7:57. So we should be there right at 8. But yeah, so we're getting on our way there. It's an early morning today. That's alright. Amara is awake. She's all happy though, so that's good. But we're going to get there. Hey, Blue Eyes. What are you doing? Did you have a fun ride? Look at your little toesies. Look at your little toesies. Is that not me? What? She's ready to eat. Eat. Huh. So Amara is back to sleep. She was up for a little bit and then wanted to go back to sleep. I'm gonna make some pancakes because Josh and I are hungry, so I'm gonna make pancakes and he's gonna make eggs. I don't do eggs. I don't know. I just don't like making eggs. I always feel like I burn them. But I haven't made them in a long time though, so I guess I wouldn't really know. I always have Josh do it. I'm gonna make pancakes. Yummy.
Yep.
Now we just gotta get some cheese. Are you chewing on your toy? Yay. Look at you, big girl. You're so big.
Because it only lets like fucking 4 people go through first. Fucking pisses me off.
Yeah, this construction is making everything stupid.
Yeah, none of these lights work for shit.
What, honey? What's wrong? I did. Check it out, y'all. We got a new windshield. Yay! Hi, pretty girl. Hi. Honey. Hi, honey. Hi. You got any smiles in ya? My honey bear. My honey bear. Boogie boogie boo. Hmm. Yeah. Mara is taking another nap. Got 4 house playing. And I am going to take this assessment that I have to for this job that I'm trying to get. So I'm on the computer and going to try and get this done while she's sleeping. Well, she woke up, so hopefully she can be good in there so I can work on this. Well, now she needed to eat. Somebody is being a stubborn butt, aren't you? So I can't get much done, and I'm really trying to, because I want to get this job. Yeah. Oh, she was touching it with her feet. Yay! I'm done! Yay! 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 She was a little bit fussy, so it took us a little longer than we expected, but we're done! So that wasn't too bad. It was pretty nice. I mean, I'm not much of a computer person, but anything to stay home with my baby. Huh? Anything to stay home with my babies? Huh. I've got her laying on her toy. She's mad at me, but I need to rinse some diapers out. Apparently she was ready to go to sleep. Alright, so we're gonna go on our walk. Huh, we can go on a walk? I don't have her buckled in today just because she's not been liking being buckled in. And we're just going on a walk, so I put a blanket down so she could be comfy in it. Huh, I'll show you guys in just a minute. But we're gonna go for a walk. I haven't walked in a while, and I really am feeling like I want to. Plus, it's kind of cooling down nice right now. It feels really good outside. It's not hot. It's not cold. It's good. It's actually is a little bit warm, but it's all right. But we're gonna go on our walk. See, look at how cute you are. You can go on a walk. You can go on a walk. Look at you. Look at how pretty you are. Yeah, you so pretty. How's you so pretty? How's you so pretty? You so pretty. Yeah. Yeah. So we got a little bit down the road and that happened. She's just fussy, so we came back. So I guess we're not going on a walk right now. Maybe if I can feed her and she gets better, maybe then we can go. But as of right now, I'm not going on a walk. Yep, she was hungry. So she was asleep. I just scared her. Crap. So we're gonna go walk. She woke up. She's been awake for a little while now, actually. You having a good time? No, you can't see her. Sorry. So we are back home now. I think we did like a mile, so almost a mile. We had done a little bit and then more, so I equaled like a mile today. She wasn't having it. She was getting mad again. Plus it was starting to get dark out. It's too dark. Sometimes I just don't like, I shouldn't say sometimes, all the time. I really don't like walking in the cold. What am I talking about? I don't really like walking in the dark, so I just chose to stop and come home. And she was done. You hear her, she's fussing. And so I'm gonna eat some dinner and try to work on some video and hang out with Phoebe. Where are you going? Where are you trying to go, honey? Where are you trying to go? She wants out. I'm gonna take a shower and Honey Bear's gonna sit here and watch Mommy shower. Huh? Yeah. Gonna listen to music, huh? Oh, you're kicking your slipper off. Yeah. You kicking your zipper off already. Alright, so I got my shower, and now Amara's gonna get a bath. Are you ready for a bath? Yeah. Are you ready for a bath? Tell them, say I'm ready. Yeah. Yeah. You ready? It's time to eat and go to sleep. She says it's time for bed. Alright, so I'm rinsing a couple diapers and inserts out, and I need to freeze some milk, and I need to wash a couple dishes, and I need to get video done. So I've got a few things I need to get done. It's 11:21. Mara is passed out, so I'm going to work on getting these things done before Josh gets home. Alrighty, so it is, what time is it even? 12:30 already.
12:30.
Josh just got home a little bit ago. He was supposed to get off at 11. He didn't get off till after 12. What time was it that you even
I
called?
think we
Like
clocked
12:15?
out at 12:15.
I want to say it's about 12:15, something like that, that he called me. So, oh my gosh.
Really,
These
bitch?
cats are being freaking crazy tonight. But, so we're going to go to bed. Well, we're going to hang out for a little while, of course, because he just got home. And then we're going to go to bed. So we hope you all enjoyed today's vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And when you subscribe, make sure you turn on your post notifications so you know when we post our videos. And check out our social media accounts. And we'll talk to you all tomorrow in our next daily vlog. Good night, y'all.